Welcome to Review Lab. The best room air freshener is probably one of the most essential items for creating a welcoming and pleasant atmosphere in your home, transforming stale or unpleasant odors into a refreshing and inviting scent experience that can significantly impact your mood and the overall ambience of any living space, making it a crucial element in maintaining a clean and comfortable environment for yourself, your family, and any guests you may have over. Number 5. Febreze Air Mist Ocean Scent Air Freshener, 3-pack. Tired of lingering odors? Introducing a revolutionary way to refresh your home. Experience a clean, inviting atmosphere with every spray. Transform any space into a tranquil oasis. This refreshing scent brings the calming essence of the ocean right into your living room, bathroom, or kitchen. Don't just mask odors, eliminate them. Our advanced formula targets and neutralizes even the toughest smells, leaving behind only pure freshness. Enjoy continuous freshness with this convenient pack of 3. Each can provide ample spray to keep your home smelling wonderful for longer. Refreshing your home is as simple as a spray. Just a quick mist is all it takes to revitalize any room and create a welcoming environment. From the kitchen to the bathroom, and every room in between, it's the perfect solution for maintaining a fresh and pleasant home. What we like? This spray offers powerful odor elimination with a refreshing ocean scent. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to neutralize odors in any room, this is a great choice. It's perfect for tackling everyday smells in bathrooms, kitchens, or living areas. What people say. Febreze products smell vibrant and fresh. Effective and long-lasting, clears odors fast. Easy to use and dispenses in a soft light mist. Febreze Ocean has to be my favorite scent ever. It has a sort of masculine vibe to it, which is what I was aiming for my room. Keep in mind that the air freshener is pretty strong, so only a little is necessary for the space you're spraying. One bottle lasted me a few months, so definitely a lot in one bottle. This linen and sky air freshener is a must-have for keeping my home smelling fresh. The spray instantly tackles lingering odors, from cooking and pets to musty rooms, and replaces them with a clean, airy scent that's not overpowering. I love how easy it is to use, just a few spritzes around the room, and you get that just washed linen freshness that makes any space feel cleaner. The mist spreads evenly and doesn't leave any sticky residue. Number 4. Febreze Bathroom Air Freshener Linen and Sky. Are you struggling with persistent odors in your bathroom? It's time to experience a breath of fresh air. Introducing a revolutionary solution designed specifically for small spaces. It effectively eliminates odors, leaving your bathroom smelling delightful. Enjoy continuous freshness that lasts. This innovative product provides a long-lasting scent experience, unlike traditional plug-ins. Immerse yourself in the refreshing linen and sky scent. It brings a clean and airy fragrance to your home, kitchen, or closet. Its powerful odor-fighting capabilities tackle even the toughest smells. Keep your small spaces consistently fresh and inviting. Ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, closets, and any other small area needing a scent boost. It's the perfect alternative to other air fresheners. What we like? Designed specifically for bathrooms, this provides continuous odor control without a plug. If you need a discreet and long-lasting solution for bathroom freshness, this is ideal. It's perfect for small spaces like closets or powder rooms where you want a constant pleasant aroma. What people say. This air freshener has a sleek design that looks great in any room. The scent is long-lasting and effectively neutralizes odors. It's very easy to use, just plug it in and it starts working immediately. Number 3. Wick Essential Mist Starter Kit. Introducing the Wick Essential Mist Starter Kit. It's designed to bring a delightful fragrance into your home effortlessly. Experience the power of essential oils with this innovative diffuser. It releases a fine mist of natural fragrance to enhance your surroundings. This starter kit includes the soothing scent of lavender and the sweet aroma of almond blossom. Enjoy a calming and inviting atmosphere. Getting started is easy. Just insert the refill and let the device work its magic. Enjoy continuous fragrance with minimal effort. Create a welcoming environment for yourself and your guests. It's the perfect way to add a touch of nature's best scents to any room. Say goodbye to ordinary air fresheners. This essential oil diffuser offers a sophisticated and natural way to keep your home smelling fresh. What we like? This starter kit uses natural essential oils for a gentle and sophisticated fragrance. If you prefer a more natural and calming scent experience, this is the one for you. It's perfect for creating a relaxing ambience in your bedroom or living space. What people say. It was super easy to get the batteries and the refill bottle in, and it started working right away. I love that it's on a timer so I don't have to think about it. It just keeps the room smelling fresh throughout the day. It works great, the scent being adjustable is awesome. Can be moved to wherever you get the most out of it. It smells great with whatever scent I have put in, and the adjustment changes the time for how often it releases. The mist settings are functional for controlling the scent intensity, and the lavender and almond blossom fragrance is more than adequate for a medium-sized room. Number 2. Xcleen Reed Diffuser Set, Vanilla, Coconut and Milk Scent. Experience the delightful blend of vanilla, coconut, and milk, reminiscent of creamy vanilla ice cream. This scent is designed to bring comfort, relaxation, and a consistently happy mood. Crafted with natural plant essential oils and an organic solution, this diffuser is free from alcohol, phthalates, and toxins. Enjoy a steady release of elegant, long-lasting fragrance throughout your space. Our specially selected rattan reeds are designed to effectively absorb and disperse the fragrance oil. This ensures the scent travels evenly, filling your room with its captivating aroma. Struggling to find the ideal gift? This scent diffuser makes a thoughtful present for birthdays, housewarmings, holidays, or any special occasion for friends and family. We understand that scent preferences vary. This diffuser aims to provide a balanced fragrance experience, adjustable to your personal liking. For optimal diffusion, avoid placing it in overly humid areas. To maintain peak performance, consider replacing the reeds every 1 to 3 months as they may become saturated over time. What we like? Experience a delightful dessert-like aroma with this natural reed diffuser. If you love sweet, comforting scents and want a long-lasting, elegant fragrance, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere in your bedroom or kitchen, and makes a wonderful gift. What people say. It smells clean and it lasts. Great value and last for at least a month or so. Strong enough aroma to get rid of cat litter smell. Lovely scent as well. Number 1. Febreze Bathroom Air Freshener Gain Original Scent. Are you struggling with persistent odors in your bathroom? It's time to bring freshness back into your space. Discover the innovative solution designed specifically for your bathroom. It tackles odors at the source, leaving a clean scent. Experience the delightful Gain Original Scent. It's a familiar and comforting fragrance that transforms your bathroom. This powerful formula actively fights and eliminates odors, not just masks them. Enjoy a truly fresh environment. Forget about bulky plug-ins. This air freshener offers a convenient and effective way to keep your bathroom smelling great. While perfect for the bathroom, it's also ideal for other areas like kitchens, closets, and even combating pet odors. Each pack provides a lasting supply of freshness. Keep your home consistently smelling wonderful with this multi-count pack. What we like? This plug-in alternative is formulated to tackle tough odors, including pet and litter box smells. If you need a powerful odor eliminator with a familiar, clean scent, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for homes with pets or areas prone to strong odors like bathrooms and kitchens. What people say. This air freshener has a sleek design that fits well with my home decor. The scent is long-lasting and effectively neutralizes odor without being overpowering. I appreciate the adjustable scent intensity feature, allowing me to customize the fragrance level. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.